Hey guys, okay, so today I am on my way up to the University of Utah. I'm gonna be doing a performance. This is gonna be super fun. CupBop is helping host everything. They have flown in people from the Korean consulate in LA, and I'm just super excited about this. I have packed my car. It looks like a mess, but I feel like I'm forgetting something, so we're just gonna do a quick little check through. I bet when I actually get up there, I'm gonna be like, oh yeah, that's what I forgot, but hopefully we don't. So, check this mess out. We have a belt, we have a uniform, we have commas as extras, we have a laptop, we have a camera, we have the vlogging camera I currently have. In the back we have 3 boards. I'm gonna pick some more up from my studio. We have a tripod and we have 2 cinder blocks because one of our instructors is doing a board break. I legitimately cannot remember the last time I actually did a performance, so I am a bit nervous. But we're gonna get through it. I'm gonna do my best to get a good recording of the actual performance, but since I'm gonna be like in it, God, I'm not used to being in it anymore. I'm just used to filming things. Since I'm gonna be in it, we're gonna see how it goes. All right, let's start driving up there. All right, we made it. This looks so cool, oh my God. Okay, so that's gonna be the stage where we're performing, and this looks so fun. I can't wait to check it out. All right, I am gonna seriously need another trip to Korea after this because it's bringing back so many memories. Look how fun this is. Lotte Mart. Okay, we're gonna have to explore here afterwards. I'm gonna go grab everything and get all ready to perform later. Just walk through. The stage is that way. All right, we're in the waiting room. We are just about to do some practice and just run through it. I don't really know how much time we have until we go up, but everyone is here. Can you guys say hi? Hi. That's Miss Catherine and Mr. David with his cool swords. And then this is Matthew. Matthew, you want to show them what you're gonna do? He is ready. Then Campion. Campion, do you want to show off something cool? Apparently everyone's showing off something cool. Don't break yourself yet. And Master Julian. That was cool enough.
We're moving through the night like we're from a different star, flying over streets and our broken hearts, but they can't even touch us. We found a different beat.
All right, we're going through the bathroom. Oh my God, that was such a fun performance, but kind of awful news. So right before, when we were practicing, I didn't realize that I've gotten older, and that means that you really have to warm up if you don't want bad things to happen. So when we were practicing, right before we went up for the performance, I was supposed to do a board break where it's like a board is held right above my head, and I do like a kick behind my head. It sounds really weird, but I was supposed to kick behind my head and break it over my head. And so I hadn't like stretched or warmed up really or anything, and so I'm like, let's just do it. And I ended up pulling, I think it's my hamstring, whatever it is. It feels like there is a knife just like going into my leg and stabbing me anything I do now. So anyway, that was it for the performance, and it like hurt, but I'm like, well, gotta do the performance. So again, went out there and just got really into it. The audience was great, everyone was awesome, and now I'm just miserable and I'm gonna need drugs and lots of ice. But anyway, that was super fun, so thanks so much for watching. But anyway, that was super fun, and I really want to start doing more demos now. Like, I didn't realize how much I miss being in front of an audience. If you do demos, or if your school has a demo team, let me know your thoughts below. Are you in the demo team? What is your favorite thing to do for a performance? I want to hear. I will see you guys all in my next video. Make sure that you subscribe, follow us on @LiveMartialArts, and I'll see you guys all next week. Bye guys, happy training.